Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best and latest tips on health and nutrition. In today's video, we're going to talk about 5 essential foods that will make you taller. But before you will subscribe to the channel, leave your opinion on the subject. As you may know, height is determined by a combination of genetics and environmental factors such as nutrition. While you can't change your genetics, you can certainly optimize your diet to help you reach your full potential height. Here are 5 essential foods that will help you grow taller. 1. Milk. Milk is rich in calcium, which is essential for bone growth and development. Drinking milk regularly can help you increase your height. 2. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein and vitamin D, which are important for bone health. Eating eggs can help you grow taller and stronger. 3. Spinach. Spinach is a superfood that is packed with vitamins and minerals, including iron, which is important for red blood cell production and overall growth. 4. Nuts. Nuts are a great source of protein and healthy fats. They also contain vitamin E, which is important for bone health and growth. 5. Fish. Fish is an excellent source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for bone health and growth. Eating fish regularly can help you increase your height. So, there you have it, folks, 5 essential foods that will help you grow taller. Remember, nutrition is just one part of the equation when it comes to height, but it's an important part. Make sure to incorporate these foods into your diet and combine them with other healthy habits, such as exercise and adequate sleep, to help you reach your full potential height. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Thank you for watching.